Hi guys, my name is Raghavendra Singh and this is my peer review assignment for lesson number 6. And in this assignment I'll be taking you through one of Ableton's inbuilt synthesizers called the operator. And as you can see, we have a MIDI track with operator dropped on it. And well, in the operator you can see there are 4 oscillators. We won't be using 4, we'll be only using 1. So I'll switch off the other 3. And in the MIDI track I have some notes put in. Let's hear how it sounds. Very basic stuff, just some notes that I've put in. I'll do one thing is that I'll take the entire series 1 octave down. I'll layer it so it sounds a little more deep. Yeah, that's fine. So now in the operator, as you can see, I'll just quickly take you through the settings. This is the oscillator that we are using. And in this oscillator you have the coarse and the fine settings. Now coarse is basically means that it's the relationship between the oscillator frequency and the note pitch, and coarse creates a harmonic relationship. Similarly, fine creates a inharmonic relationship. So just to give you an idea. As you can see, the coarse changes the relationship between frequency and note pitch with creating in a harmonic relationship, and fine changes it in a inharmonic relationship. Then you have the final level here, and then you have the ARSD settings, the attack, decay, release and sustain settings in this black graph. And in the main settings, what I'll do is I'll actually increase the attack time a little because the notes are coming in too sudden. And also the release time is quite less. I'll increase the release time a little bit also. I'll increase it quite a bit actually to almost 200 milliseconds, and let's see how it sounds. Yeah, that sounds fine. And then on the right hand side we have the LFO, we have the filter, and then we have the envelope. And let's switch on the LFO. Now in the LFO you have the amount and the rate. This is the amount of the LFO, how much it's gonna render the sound. So we'll set it to a gentle 30%, and then you can select the type of waveforms that you want in your LFO. I'll choose a triangle wave, and let's see how it sounds. It has changed the sound really drastically. And then underneath the LFO we have the filter settings. We'll switch on the filter, and here you can choose how much filtration do you want, and I have chosen mine to be on the low 24 dB, and this is the frequency of the filter which is set to 500 Hertz because it's a low 24 dB filter. Let's see how it sounds. And this is the resonance. I'll just keep it at 1. And now similarly we have the envelope here. Let's switch on the pitch envelope, and as you can see in the pitch envelope there's the basic main pitch envelope setting, then there's the spread, and then there's the transpose that you can transpose the key. Let's see how it sounds. I'm just transposing to -8, and yeah, it sounds good. And then you have the main settings here, which the global settings for the entire operator here, which is the time, tone and volume. And yeah, so these are the basic settings in a simple synthesizer, and all of these ARSD settings you can manipulate for filter, LFO and the envelope, and also the main oscillator here. And just by fiddling around with these basic settings we have arrived at this sound. Let's see where we started at. So this was our original sound, the LFO, the filter, and then finally the pitch envelope. So there you go. This is the simple synthesizer, inbuilt synthesizer in Ableton called the operator, and It's a very interesting instrument and you can do a lot of things in this. You can create a synth sound, you can create bass lines on this, You can do a whole lot of stuff, and the only way to go about it is to just keep at it and keep fiddling with it, keep working on it, using it on different sounds, creating some sounds on it, putting some more effects and patches here. And it's just limitless, and just have fun with it. And I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.